Welcome back to Turbo Talk World. Today, we're diving into a car that continues to redefine luxury and performance in the compact executive segment, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's not just a car. It's a symbol. A statement. And this year, it speaks louder than ever before. At first glance, the new C-Class is unmistakably Mercedes. Sleek, confident, and meticulously refined. It doesn't scream for attention, but it commands it. The front fascia is sharper, cleaner, and more athletic, with slimmer LED headlamps that seem to stare through traffic. A redesigned grille, accentuated by the iconic Mercedes emblem, pushes the luxury narrative with just the right hint of aggression. Beneath the sculpted hood, Mercedes has kept performance at its core. The C-Class comes equipped with a range of turbocharged four-cylinder engines, efficient, powerful, and paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for that extra torque and smoothness when you need it most. Whether you're cruising city streets or carving through highway bends, the 2026 C-Class delivers a drive that's more dynamic than ever. And with 4MATIC all-wheel drive as an option, grip and control are always within reach. Step inside, and the real magic begins. This isn't just a cabin, it's a digital sanctuary. Inspired by the flagship S-Class, the interior is wrapped in high-grade materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout that feels futuristic yet familiar. At the center, a stunning 11.9-inch portrait-style touchscreen floats toward the driver, seamlessly running the latest MBUX infotainment system. Voice control is smarter, responses are faster, and personalization? Limitless. But it's not all tech and touchscreens. Mercedes has infused the cabin with what they call emotional intelligence and experience that adapts to you. From mood lighting that adjusts to your drive, to seat kinetics that subtly change your posture during long trips, every detail is designed to make you feel something beyond the ordinary. On the road, the 2026 C-Class is calm, confident, and composed. The chassis feels tighter, the steering sharper, and the suspension adapts to your style. Want to float in comfort? It'll glide like a true luxury sedan. Want to push a little harder? It'll respond with grace and grit. It's this duality that makes the C-Class so special, it can be whatever you need it to be. And let's not forget safety. Mercedes has packed this model with next-gen driver assist features. Adaptive cruise control, active lane change, and even route-based speed adjustments, all designed to keep you one step ahead. It's not just about protecting you. It's about predicting what comes next. So, is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class just another refresh? No. It's a reassertion. A quiet flex. A reminder that the best doesn't have to shout, it just has to show up. And when the C-Class pulls up, trust me, it shows up. This is Turbo Talk World. And that was your inside look at the future of luxury on four wheels.